If you're a small business owner who knows your product or service is great, but you have no idea where to start with marketing it, this video is for you. Because right now, everyone's probably telling you to do everything at once. Post on social media, run ads, build a funnel, send emails, start using AI, go viral. And you're thinking, okay, but how? And what actually works? The truth is, you don't need to do it all. We've helped more than 4,000 small businesses to date, and the ones that truly take off and succeed are not trying to tackle every marketing avenue at once. You just need a simple, step-by-step system that gets you from strangers to customers consistently without running yourself into the ground. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to market your small business from zero to steady leads, sales, and growth using the same proven system that's helped our clients generate thousands of leads and hundreds of thousands in revenue. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a marketing system that works, not just this month, but for years to come. And in case you don't know, I'm Brandy with Life Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. We've collectively driven over $272 million in revenue for our clients to date from social media ads alone. So if you're interested in having us handle your marketing for you, fill out our contact form linked below to schedule a free, no-pressure strategy call. For everyone else looking to tackle marketing on their own, let's get into it with step 1, build your digital foundation. Before you run a single ad or post another reel, you need a strong digital foundation. So what does that mean? That means when someone Googles your business or taps on your Instagram profile, they instantly know 3 things: what you do, who it helps, and why they should trust you. Because if your website or social media page looks confusing or outdated or does not deliver those 3 pieces of key messaging, no ad in the world is going to save it. Here's our Instagram bio as an example. What do? Provide done-for-you top strategies for online marketing. Who does it help or how? It helps small businesses grow, and they should trust us because we're the #1 social media marketing agency. Your digital presence is your 24/7 storefront, and that could be working for you or against you, depending on if it's set up right or not. If you're not sure if yours is working against you or not, you can check by seeing if it passes the 5-second test. Can a stranger instantly tell what you do and how they can take the next step in 5 seconds or less? If not, you've got work to do on your digital presence. Because remember this, the small businesses that are profiting online are not always the biggest, they're the clearest. You don't need a big corporate budget to win customers. The first thing you need is a clear digital foundation. So run all of your social media platforms through that test, and I would even add the top part of your homepage to that test as well, also called the section that's above the fold, so that you're not shooting yourself in the foot from the start. Once you've done that, we can move on to step 2, create your core message, aka the 5-second pitch. Now that your foundation is solid, we want to make people care about what you're offering. So how do you do that? I'll tell you what you don't do. You don't spend time talking about your business's accolades or how great your team is or how your product has the latest and greatest technology. That all can come later when you've already got someone interested and they want to learn more about those things. But for the first initial few touch points where people are really hearing of your brand for the first time, the first thing they need to understand is how they benefit from giving you any attention at all. Instead of talking about what you do, talk about the problem it solves for them or the goal it helps them reach. If you're a photographer, for example, you're not talking to leads about how great your camera gear is, right? No, of course not. You're showing them beautiful pictures. You're showing them how their own event or wedding day could be captured just as beautifully. Or if you're a lawyer, you shouldn't be talking about how many years of experience you've had. Talk about the lives you've changed or the outcomes you've achieved for your clients. That sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many businesses we see do this. People's attention spans are shorter than ever, and businesses are wasting precious seconds of it talking about an award that they won that nobody's ever heard of, okay? So when thinking about your core messaging, answer these 3 questions clearly. Who do you help? What problem of theirs do you solve? And why are you different? This becomes your 5-second pitch, the line that goes on your website, bio, ads, and videos. This is what's going to grab your audience's initial attention and keep them from scrolling past because clarity converts. Every time. They don't have to guess at how you can help them, they know. Once you've got your core message nailed down, you're going to move on to step 3, build a simple lead engine. And here's where most businesses overthink it. They hear about AI funnels, automation, CRMs, drip sequences, and immediately panic. But it's okay, I'm here to tell you that you do not need 27 steps to make a sale. You just need one clear path from interest to action. Think of it like this. Content gets their attention, a lead magnet or call to action collects that attention, and then your follow follow-up converts the attention into sales. It could be as simple as a Facebook post to a lead form to a discovery call, or a short video to a free checklist to email to purchase. That's how we helped a health coach generate 623 lead magnet purchases at a 4.67 return, driving over $77,000 in revenue in 30 days, and then on to 10,122 leads and 23,250 purchases from there. Because the nature of a health coaching business is one that requires a lot of trust built before a person feels comfortable enough to invest time and money with them. So we didn't just hit a cold audience with buy now ads, especially at a $1,500 price point. We eased people into their business. We created a lead magnet that we gave people for free in exchange for their contact information. We then offered those people a low ticket $7 item to cover ad spend costs, and that allowed potential clients to get a feel for what they would be doing and getting before committing to the $1,500 program. Your lead engine can have fewer or more steps. It just depends on what works for your audience and your business. Lower ticket products or services can typically get away with fewer steps, while higher ticket items might need 1 or 2 extra steps to really build that trust that is statistically required in order for them to be able to make a purchase. Either way, keep it simple and keep it repeatable. That's how you scale. Then step 4, drive consistent traffic, both paid and organic. Now that you have a clear path on how you're going to get people from stranger to customer, it's time to start fueling the path with people. You need consistent traffic, not random bursts, and that comes from balancing paid and organic marketing. Paid ads like Facebook or Instagram ads give you fast, predictable results, and organic content builds long-term trust and credibility and is free. Together, they fuel growth that doesn't stop when you take a weekend off. And if you're doing organic growth correctly, you should eventually be able to scale back on how much you're even putting into ads. We at Life Marketing use both paid ads and organic efforts to generate over $400,000 a month in revenue for us. Proof that this system doesn't just work for our clients, it works for us and it can work for you too. Now, we have tons of videos on how to set up your first Facebook or Instagram ad, how to set one up efficiently, what kind of budgets to put behind it, all of that. So I'm not going to rehash everything in this video. All of our videos are separated into playlists by platform or topic. So I'll let you go pick the ones you want to watch next based on what you need to learn how to do next. But for this video, I will say you want to pick the platform your audience spends the most time on and run an ad that aligns with your goal. Don't boost posts if you want leads or sales. Don't run a traffic campaign if what you really want is leads or sales, because you're not going to get that from a traffic campaign. You're going to get traffic. Pick a campaign that aligns with the outcome you want. And then lastly, step 5, follow up and optimize for major growth. Most businesses stop after someone clicks or buys once, but in the words of Julia Roberts from Pretty Woman, big mistake. Big, because the real profit is in the follow-up through email and SMS or text messages and retargeting ads. Here's why. People on average need to have 7 touch points with a brand before they feel ready to buy from them, and 98% of website traffic does not convert on that first visit. So if you're spending money on ads to just reach people once and never again, you're never going to scale doing that. Or if you get a purchase from somebody and never follow up with them for another or upsell them on another service, you're losing out on tons of easy cash. So to recap, these are the first 5 things you're going to do next. Build a strong digital foundation. Create your 5-second message. Build one simple path to collect leads. Drive consistent traffic and follow up, optimize, and scale.